In this video, we will show you how to use the ITIC mapping interface. First, let's take a look at some basic controls. To zoom in and out, you have a few options. You can use the zoom bar located on the left side of the screen, or zoom in and out using the scroll wheel on your mouse. To navigate, you can either click on the map and drag in the direction you would like to go, or you can use the direction buttons in the upper left corner of the screen. ITIC contains several map views that can help you locate and accurately map your excavation area. The default map view is the OCC map. The satellite view displays overhead satellite imagery. The Google view displays information from the Google Maps database. The hybrid view is a combination of OCC maps and satellite imagery. If ITIC was unable to locate your worksite from the information you had entered in the location of work section, you can try a manual search. If you have GPS or latitude-longitude information, you can try the coordinate search. If the matching coordinates are found within the county, the map will center on that location. You may need to zoom out or change your map view to recognize the area. You can also use the street search function. The street search function allows you to search for an intersection or a specific address. You can try a broad search, which may yield multiple results. Or you can try a more specific search. If an address is found using the street search, a place mark will appear where ITIC believes the address is located. You can also try doing a Google search. In order to do a Google search, you will first need to select the Google Map view. Then simply fill in the Google search bar and click Search. In many areas, you can even use the Google Street View. To exit Street View, click the small X located in the upper right corner of the map. If ITIC finds a match for the address you have entered in location of work or run a manual search for, there will be a place mark in the center of the screen, and a computer-generated polygon will surround the block containing the address. Clicking the Change Shape button located at the bottom of the screen will cycle through a list of computer-generated polygons. Clicking the Change Size button will expand or contract the currently selected polygon. Clicking the Clear button will delete the current polygon, allowing you to draw your own. To hand draw your own polygon, first make sure the Draw tool is selected. This is located in the lower right corner of the screen and is the default setting. Then start drawing your polygon by clicking on the map where you would like to begin. Continue to draw until your entire work area has been encompassed. If you make a mistake, you can click the button labeled Delete Last. To close out the polygon, simply click on the same point where you began. You can also modify a polygon by clicking on one of the corner points, dragging to the desired location, and releasing. Selecting the Identify tool will allow you to click on certain map features to find out more information about them. This information will be displayed at the bottom of the map screen after the word Highlight. The Measure tool can be used to measure distances on the map in a straight line or in a complex route. With the Measure tool selected, first click on any point on the map. This will be your starting point. As you move the cursor, pay attention to the segment length and total length at the bottom of the screen. The total length number represents the entire distance between your starting point and where your cursor is currently located, along the green route you have created. The segment length number represents the entire distance between your cursor's current position and the last point you made along the route. The Measure tool can be very useful when following driving directions from a named intersection to an unnamed area, or when determining how far off the road an area must be mapped. This concludes the ITIC mapping tutorial.